Hello there, beautiful ladies. Thank you so very much for clicking toward this video. You're welcome to this channel. Right now you will find latest black women low maintenance short hairstyles and haircuts picture ideas. These are really wonderful hairstyles and haircuts inspiration right here for black ladies. I know you love to keep a beautiful hair color on you, especially if you maintain that low hair. And again, don't forget the low maintenance factor right here. It doesn't take too much for you to keep, because it's a wonderful way to wear your hair all through the month. You just need to go for a touch up once in a while, and of course wear this look for as long as you want. So these are all wonderful styles that you should go for. You should of course consult a professional hairstylist or barber for what should suit your face type or shape. Yes, lovely styles right here, beautiful and amazing looking hairstyles and haircuts. You'll find bald haircuts, you'll find carved as well as shaved haircuts, you'll find short natural hairstyles and haircuts right here. If you want something sassy, of course it's within this video. You'll find low fade haircuts and hairstyles to help you stand out and look good. So let us hear about the video on the comment section. Keep sharing this video with loved ones and friends. Keep coming back for more every single day, because we have videos right here that should give you the idea that you need to get inspiration from. Do well again to share this video with loved ones and friends. Leave us a comment down below. We love to hear from you. Remember also to leave us a thumbs up. It goes a long way to supporting what we do right here and telling us we're doing something right. Do not also forget to subscribe to this channel in case you're new. Till tomorrow, you take care and have a wonderful time out there. You take care and bye.